Are you trying to choose between Google Stitch and Figma Make? You're not alone. In this video, we'll compare these two tools to help you decide which one is right for you. Both Google Stitch and Figma Make are designed to help you create and manage designs. They allow teams to collaborate and streamline the design process, but they do have their differences. Let's start with Google Stitch. This tool focuses on integrating data from various sources. It helps you visualize information in a way that's easy to understand. You can create stunning dashboards and reports. It's great for teams that need to work with data and design together. Now, let's look at Figma Make. This tool is all about user interface design. It allows you to create interactive prototypes and design systems. Figma Make is perfect for designers who want to bring their ideas to life. It's user friendly and supports real time collaboration so your team can work together seamlessly. So, what are the key differences? Google Stitch is more data centric, while Figma Make is focused on design. If you need to analyze data visually, Stitch is your best bet. If you want to create beautiful interfaces, Figma Make is the way to go. When it comes to features, Google Stitch offers powerful data integration tools. Figma Make provides advanced design features and collaboration options. Both have their strengths depending on your needs. In terms of pricing, Google Stitch often has a flexible pricing model based on usage. Figma Make usually has subscription plans that cater to different team sizes. So, who should choose what? If your work revolves around data analysis, go with Google Stitch. If you are a designer looking to create user interfaces, Figma Make is the better choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this one.